Originally intended to be enhanced by end of 2025, the Trump phone T1 is now unlikely to ship for the few months. Support teams cited a recent federal government shutdown as a primary cause for logistical hiccups. When the T1 was announced, it was marketed as made in US alternative to tech giants such as Apple and Samsung. That ambitious branding did not last long. Industry experts pointed out building such a high-end phone using American-only parts is impossible. Because of this, the company had to change its tune. They quietly updated the ad saying assembled in America instead of being fully made in America. It's a tough lesson for how global trade works. The T1 was positioned as an affordable or flashy option with a $500 price tag. To secure, the buyers have been asked to put a $100 deposit. The phone had a bold gold finish and runs on the company's 47 plan, which includes data and calls. It's designed to give fans a flashy look that works right out of the box on their own network. This wireless network costs $47.45 per month, offering unlimited talk and data. While the phone's hardware aims for a premium look, its technical specifications remained a mystery. In a surprising twist, Trump Mobile has expanded its store network to include devices from very competitors it aims to disrupt. In a surprising move, the company's website has started selling older refurbished models such as iPhone 15 and S24.